We're now going to look at 3 examples of finding the volume of a prism. The first one is in the shape of a cylinder. So we've got this oil drum, and the first thing to notice here is that we're given the actual area. There's no calculation to do to find this. We're given the area of the base. So 10 is going to be the value that we're going to use for A in our formula. The length or height of the cylinder is 1.5. So our substitution is going to be 10 times 1.5, which equals 15 cubic centimetres. Remember, you're working, state your formula, substitute in your values, get the answer with the correct units. And remember, we're working with volume here again, so we're working with cubic centimetres. The second example that I'm going to look at, again of a cylinder, this time we don't have the answer to the area of the circular base, so we need to work it out first using the formula A equals pi r squared for our circle. Once we've done that, we can then plug our value of A into our formula for the volume of a prism. So calculating the volume of this cylinder here, first of all, we work out the area of the circular base. The radius is 20, so we get pi times 20 squared. We could work out that at this stage, but it's not really much point because we're going to have to use it in the next formula as well. So we'll just write down the pi times 20 squared, and then our height is 50. So we can do one calculation on our calculator, putting in our cubic centimetres at the end again. The third example is for a triangular prism. Again, sometimes we're given what the area is, sometimes we're not. So we have to remember the formula for the area of a triangle. A equals half the base times the height, or base times height divided by 2. For this triangular prism, here we have the base of 10, the height of 8. So the area of our base is a half of 80, which is 40 square centimetres because it's an area. And then the length that we're looking at is 20. So substituting our 40 in times the 20 gives us 800 cubic centimetres.